Myrtle Beach is known for three things: family vacations, playing golf, and Bike Week. Motorcyclists from all around the country will visit Myrtle Beach for this annual motorcycle rally. During this time, most of them will stop by Jamin Leather for their supplies. You will not find a larger selection of leather and accessories in this part of the state.
Jamin Leather started basically in 1975 and went to a first retail store in 1979. But we were doing flea markets, craft shows, state fairs for many, many years, even through the late 70s and early 80s. And we established Myrtle Beach in 97, and we've been here ever since. So we've had a couple of different locations, but we're now in a real prime location on Highway 17 bypass in Myrtle Beach, in the heart of Myrtle Beach. Well, I've been dealing with First for many years. I met the owner, Chima, many, many years ago, more like 35 years ago when he first came out. I was actually in business long before he was, which is kind of funny. But we had met at trade shows, and we started dabbling in small things like gloves and all. So I've been dealing with First for many, many years, buying his products, his large variety of products. I think the quality of the First brand has always been amazing. You can't get there's only a few factories that actually do it right. And I would say that First Manufacturing actually does one of the best quality control, fit, design of all the companies that are coming out of the imports. They're great. Well, Jamin Leather has an extremely large website, large selection of product. Anything in leather we sell, with the exception of furniture, so we're doing pretty good. And we make sure that people know that we exist. We have a great product, a great selection, variety. We have our own styles that we've designed ourselves for many, many years. We even have a large selection of product in our retail store. We have a 7,000 square foot retail store. As well as a 24,000 square feet building that I'm working out of. We've been doing it for many years. JaminLeather.com is very popular, and we believe that we do it right. We treat the customer right and do the best we can with the quality, prices, and quality control. Yeah, Jamin Leather's been doing Myrtle Beach Bike Week since we moved here. Believe it or not, we moved to Myrtle Beach without even knowing there was a bike week, and we instantly got involved with what was going on here, and we became very popular because of it. People come to our shop not just to shop, but we also offer. We've been doing a lot of charity work for first of all for the Red Cross for the past almost 18 years. We've been doing an auction for them during all the bike weeks. We've raised over $250,000 for them over the past 18 years or so. We plan on changing that a little bit and going up with other bike clubs and their 501c3 charities and try to give back to them on our auctions. We bring a lot of charity people here, and we have a lot of fun here during the rallies. We have our own contests and silly games that we do. We even have our own bike run and a few other things that are going on for spring rally.